Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Helena. In today's video, I'm giving you my opinion if IbisPaint X is a good alternative to create manga pages. So yeah, let's get started. So I decided to film this video because, as I said in the previous one, I decided to switch from Clip Studio Paint to IbisPaint X, and now I know it's Ibis and not Ibis, sorry. And I wanted to try this because there's a lot of people that might not be able to afford Clip Studio Paint and they want to create manga. I'll be recreating a manga page from the manga Emma by Kaoru Mori, and as in my previous video that I did about MediBang, I'll be putting the original page as a background so I can have it as a reference. I'll be not tracing the original one. It's just easier for me, and you can see the drawing style is very different. So IbisPaint X, it's an app that you can use to create manga pages but not books. That's different for MediBang and Clip Studio Paint. But IbisPaint X has very easy to use tools that can help you to create manga. And as you can see, I love how easy it was to create the panels and also to ink. I have such a great experience inking that I knew I could live without Clip Studio Paint to just ink and add some screen tones to a illustration, drawing, or manga page, because IbisPaint X actually does have the tools. They're not as customizable as Clip Studio Paint, but they work, and I had so much fun inking this illustration that I actually decided to remove the ads because the experience was so good, it was so smooth. And if you're someone who wants to try to create a manga page or a very short comic, I believe this is a great app for that. I mean, you will have to create independent files, and I know that's very tedious, but this is the same with Clip Studio Paint if you just paid for the non-EX version, that it's the most expensive one. So yeah, it's almost the same, but I understand that Clip Studio Paint is more customizable. IbisPaint X has like the screen tones, like the text balloons, has the panel maker, I don't know, has the ruler for perspective, for like attention to certain object or character, has different types of nibs that you can use. Actually, the ones that I use in here, I think most of them were free, and the one that was like you have to watch an ad or pay was just one. And even though if you don't want to pay for IbisPaint X, just watch the ad and that's all. You don't need to use the ones that I use. And I like that some screen tones are like actual screen tones, like you have to put it in the page and then cut them out. I did work long ago with real screen tones, and that's how it works. They're like stickers and you have to cut it with a cutter, and it might be tedious, but it's not that terrible. I mean, you can also use the lasso tool to do that, so that's nice. I love how many screen tones and other material and other stuff IbisPaint X allows you to use even when you don't even have an account or pay nothing. As I said, removed the ads because I was having so much fun recreating this page, and the experience was so smooth, and I don't have an account. I don't feel the necessity or the urge to create an account because IbisPaint X, I think they respect a lot the user. So you want to pay, it's okay. You don't want to pay, it's okay. But you may watch some ads here and there, and you can see all the stuff that are for free. Use them. It's very nice. You have to download them, but you can see what it is. You don't have to go to another page, or you cannot, or as far as I know, there's not like premium stuff. They're like, yeah, but you have to subscribe for this. It's just like, dude, this is available and that's what it is, right? Or watch an ad. And that's something that I'm so grateful for IbisPaint X. And for the balloon text, I mean, they're okay, but I'm so used to creating my own text balloons that I felt kind of weird, but they do the job. They're balloons. And if you don't want them like the ones that IbisPaint X actually gives you, you can create your own by using, like I said, like the rulers, and they were okay. So not an issue at all, at least not for me. That's what you would do it if you are working on traditional in a traditional way, creating your own balloons or adding the balloons digitally, which most of the times are balloons that are pre-made. But that's up to you, what works for you. And the text option actually surprised me because you can customize a lot of stuff. You can customize your text in a very easy way, and it's very effective. And that's something I love about IbisPaint X, that it might be simple, but the tools that it offers you are good and easy to use. And it's not like a lot of stuff that most people would not use, and if you use them, or if you are looking for certain type of tools, you'll be like, but where I can find it, because I'm lost. In IbisPaint X, it's more like, oh, so these are my options, I understand, instead of, oh, where am I? So I love that. And as I said, it was such a good experience for me, like an experience that I definitely would like, and I'm actually repeating because it's nice. It's something that I feel it's easy to use, it's inexpensive / free, and you only need a tablet that has a stylus support and the willing to draw and learn. And I think that the learning curve, it's very easy. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video or if you find it useful, and let me add comments so you can help with the algorithm. And yeah, this is Helena, and see you next video. Bye.